So today I'm going to talk about constipation. When we say constipation, we have coming to our mind that it is very heavy, you feel very uncomfortable and heavy feeling, you feel restless. So nobody likes to have a constipation. The moment you have constipation, the body is signaling you there is something disorder in your body. And every organ in our body are interconnected. So the constipation means your large intestine is having some problem to expel the bowels from the waste products from the large intestine. So it may be due to lack of water. If people do not drink enough water, then there may be a dehydration. Or some people have a habit of eating only the carbohydrate, lot of carbohydrate, not the fibers, vegetables, fruits and all. Also, some people do not have enough of body metabolism working out, that is the activity or exercises in the body. Some people also have a heat generated from internally as well as externally. So this may be stress and tension also may be one of the causes of constipation. So people who have constipation, first you have to keep in mind, have the activities of opposite of your lifestyle. For example, take warm water. Early morning, taking empty stomach, warm water, maybe 1 or 2 glass of water, it will help you have a clean bowels. You can also have some lemon juice with the honey, with the water, warm water also gives you release of bowels. Third thing is you can also have some massage on the abdomen. That is, if you see the large intestine goes from your right side of the stomach. So you go like this, go up under your diaphragm, then go down like this, come up and you go like this. So you massage this place just by gentle massage like this, go up like this, then you come down and come like this. This is one way. Another way is a gentle clockwise massage. This also helps you to release this bowels, pent-up bowels. Another way is tap this area. So this also is a great help people who have constipation problem. So another way is you can do some acupressure points. One of the points in acupressure is LI4. LI4 is where you keep your hand like this, where the thumb, the joint, this side you have a a protrusion place on the top of it. You gently massage it or tap it or stimulate it like this. You just stimulate that place. It is a great laxative point. But when women are pregnant, you should not do this point. This is called LI4. The second point is LI11. LI11 is where you fold your hand where the crease reaches. So this is the LI11 point. You can also stimulate this point. So these points are there on both the sides. On the right side as well as left side, right and left side. Same way you massage them. The second point is, the third point is ST25. The ST25 is where your umbilicus, from the umbilicus you go straight, you keep 4 fingers. When you keep 4 fingers, the straight line where it reaches, that is the point called ST25. You have on the right side as well as you have on the left side. The line has to be straight from the center of the umbilicus. So that is the ST25 point. This also will help you to have a constipation released, helps you to have a free bowel movement. So another point is, it is at the back side of the body. For self-heat treatment it may be difficult, but I'll tell you the point. It is called UB21. So it is there at the back side. So it may be very difficult for you to find out because there is some measurement to be taken. So this UB25 is directly connected with the stomach meridian, which will also help you to heal your stomach problems. Especially the back points are very, very important because they are directly connected with the organ itself. So when you stimulate it, it will have a great impact. The name of the point is UB21. So if you follow this methods will help you to relieve your constipation. Thank you.